Oh, there it is. There's information.
So here's a rhino. And we're going to go from here all the way around this tricky bit here. And do I win a prize?
Yeah, you do win a prize. When you've got it, I'll show you the prize when you get there.
I've got to win it first.
There we go.
Alright, are you going to take the action film?
Yeah, I am.
Alright, don't put your finger over the...
No, you're still live, yeah?
Alright, I've got to see your hands then.
Yeah. There we go.
Stance, good stance there.
Yeah. Coming up to the tricky bit. Rhino's horns. Going well. Oh!
Well, we nearly got it,
You're very, that's the...
It's for an expert.
I'm not an expert in the slightest. We'll see.
That's your practice.
That's my practice. Here we go.
So tell me about your rhino.
So the rhino, so this is Rhino Arc, which is a charity for saving the rhino in Kenya and also protecting all Kenya's water sources, because where they live is where all the sources of Kenya's rivers start. So it's protecting the rhino and protecting all of the population. So there we go, we're going down the ear and the small horn. And this is the tricky bit here. And we get it round the big horn. Ah! Yeah, so it's tricky.
I'm glad I'm not the only
And saving the rhino is tricky as well.
Thank you
Excellent.
very much.
Good, well thank you. Thank you.
Here we go, Rhino Arc. Get the flags in.
The Kenya flag and the Rhino Arc flag. For getting round the course.
So we did another second go and we managed to complete the course with no beeps, and I win.
A rhino.
Thank you very much. I'm
Pleasure.
Yes, you can degas the pair of them. I'm glad we've got a quiet spot we can do that. Normally it's a queue of about 100 people and you have to sort of do a changeover.
And you're over the hill and far away.
Right, there you go.
Action shot.
Hey,
The source. Which is more nicer than the source.
more nicer than the sauce. Oh, the hop truck, but it's not here.
Oh, what's the one in the middle?
That's another sauce.
Okay. Can I get the fool's gold at the end, please?
Is that an easy one, right? That's lively.
Right, we work on the centre one, George, until we've done here.
Shall I get the beers coming?
So lifting it off.
George,
Yeah, so you can turn it off now.
Nice.
It's distracted
I
now.
should have had another one underneath. Thank you very much. I don't want to spill it.
Phil.
Exactly.